So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add cryptocurrency to your first home savings account or your FHSA here on Wealthsimple Trade. And in case you guys are new to Wealthsimple Trade, I'll show you guys my referral link right here. If you use this referral link, it's also down below in the description. When you sign up and fund your account, we both get 25 bucks. So that's pretty cool there. But if you want to add cryptocurrency to your FHSA, go to the bottom left, press on the magnifying glass icon. Now, don't press on crypto. That's a misconception here. You can actually buy cryptocurrency and add it individually to your FHSA account. So instead, you have to go the ETF route, but there's a bunch of different options that you can buy crypto in. So for example, if I go to the search bar here and you sort of want and everything, you type in ETC right here. The Evolved Cryptocurrencies ETF is sort of an all-in-one ETF involving a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. You can go to the bottom left, select an account, do FHSA, then press on buy. On this page, you can type the amount of shares, or if you want a fractional buy, you can do that as well. Press review, and then you can review the transaction that way. So ETC is just an example of an all-in-one a multiple cryptocurrencies ETF in one ETF. If you wanted to buy Bitcoin, for example, IBIT's an option. If you wanted to buy XRP as an example, that's an option. So a bunch of different options you guys can do. Once again, select your FHSA, go to the bottom right, press on buy, type the amount of shares or fractional buy, press review, and if all looks good, you want to proceed. Go to the bottom, press on queue order or press on buy, and proceed this way with the transaction. So that's how you guys can add cryptocurrency to your FHSA or your first home savings account here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.